What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing the Infinity Areo reactive side marker lights. They're smoked and are a direct replacement for the factory lighting. The orange in the front and the amber in the rear. The only tool you're going to need is just a plastic pry tool to pop these off. And that's it. Let's get started. Alright, so I got the first one in. You literally just take your pry tool, insert it up at the top, and pry outward. The whole light or side marker pops out, and you unhook the harness. It's just a little push tab. It pops right off, and then you reverse order attach it or re-secure the harness. Put the bottom in first, and then literally just push it in. I'm only got one hand, so I can't record it. So, without further ado, this matches your approach lighting and your startup lighting on the Mustang. Get an LED trail both ways, and then it flashes and pulses with your headlight marker or your DRLs or turn signals, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, there they are. I'll take a video of the back just to show you, and yeah, straightforward. And here's the startup sequence for the rear markers. It'll match the front. It'll match the pulsation with the tail lights, all for your approach lighting. And yeah, looks pretty awesome. If you have any questions, let me know. Alright, so once you get the front and the rear all installed, here's the startup on both of them at the same time. Pretty awesome.